And you're gonna lean backwards for me as far as you can. Okay, and what does that feel like to you?
There's a lot of tension in that lower back.
Yeah, I was gonna say, this one is definitely restricted. Give me that back bend. Let's see what that feels like now. Oh my God.
I know, this is crazy.
Oh my God, dude.
That was nice.
Can you believe that?
That's crazy. I feel like going to hit a golf ball. I felt like a board before, like somebody was holding me. Now it's released.
You couldn't move at all the first time. If you had to give me an overall percentage of improvement from the first round of assessment to now, what would you say within 5 minutes?
Probably about 75%.
Did we just prevent you from having to have injections and surgery?
Yep. It's just I've done so many things for the past 8 years.
So you've done so many things over the past 8 years. Has anything provided this much relief within about 3 minutes before?
No, definitely not. It can be this easy, you know?
Yep, it's amazing these kinds of things that are missed, right? When you have a good evaluation, when you have a good assessment, these are the kinds of changes that we can make in a short period of time.
Especially after seeing doctors for years.
Yep, it's pretty crazy, right?
Yeah.